H-Blood open racing Maligalig Maliga Previous goes south Apple now party outside it's now south Apple reverse of gold silver screen matang tubig Mr. Slim Maligalig Camoria while Casablanca is running on a terrible field out straight they travel south Apple moving up release reverse of gold south Apple party outside very close third matang tubig then followed by Silver Screen, moving up by will Mr. Slim, long way back, Maligalig Camry on Casablanca. Into the back, they travel south, Tapo regains the lead from Rivers of Gold. Silver Screen, Matang to begin, Mr. Slim. And towards the last 600, still South Apple, leads Barang, followed by Silver Screen, Rivers of Gold, Matang to big, Mr. Slim, and Camry. And inside the last 600, South Apple, Silver Screen, Nari outside, Silver Screen, Nari outside, South Apple, Matang to big Mr. Slim, reverse of gold, and here comes Camry as they swing for Silver Screen, Nari outside, South Apple, is one bar, and down to the finish, Silver Screen, South Apple, and Mr. Slim coming close, Nari outside, it's still Silver Screen, Mr. Slim moves up now and winning this race. Second, Camry, Silver Screen, 7, South Apple, Oyo Penta Pekta, Matang Tubig.
Alright, talagang when it rains, it pours. Itong kwadra ni Mr. Patrick Uy, kanina Chain Smoker. At ngayon naman, si Mr. Slim with a